Hi guys, welcome to our interesting playlist that is a master in LINQ Query. In this recording, we are going to understand how we can filter the collection as a data table. So that purpose in UiPath we have option that is a filter data table activity, but instead of that we are going to use a LINQ Query. So in case of new, please subscribe to this channel. So let's get started. So suppose this is my Excel. Excel having this record that is a employee ID, name and salary. So my condition criteria or filter criteria is, so I need to get the data whose salary is greater than or equal to 25,000. If it is condition is true, then I need to get that data and I need to write that data into the different sheet. So this is my simple scenario which is related to filter. So I am going to open this UiPath. So first of all, I am going to get the data from Excel. So how we can achieve that? So that's why I am going to use a Excel application scope and read range. So you can go with modern activity and any workbook activity. I am going to use a classic activity, that is Excel application scope, and into that I am going to use a read range activity. Okay. So here you need to select the path. I am going to select the path so that Excel is in desktop. I am going to select the path of that Excel, and here I need to put the sheet name. My sheet is a result. Okay. Okay, and output is a dt. So dt is a nothing but a data table. Output is a data table. It is going to get the whole data from that Excel. Okay. So next I'm going to write the LINQ query. So that's why I'm going to take a assign activity. So into that I'm going to write the query. So my LINQ query always start from this moon brackets and always in from that. Okay, my second line is a iteration line, that is a from row is my temporary variable. It is going to get the data from that collection. Row in, I am going to select the collection, that is a DT. Second line, I need to write that where clause, where we need to select the condition. My condition is row in bracket, double quotes, salary, okay, sal column dot to string. I need to compare with this string to integer. It is not possible. So that's why I'm going to convert this string to integer. So simply I'm going to write the cint. What does it? It is going to convert the string to integer. And then I'm going to convert, check that condition to this 25 greater than or equal to 25. Yeah, if it is true, I need to select that row. How we can select that row? So we have a select space row method, select method. Then whatever the selected row, I need to paste into the data table. That's why I'm going to write the copy to data table. Data table. Okay, that's it. This is nothing but how we can apply the LINQ query for filter purpose. This is a very simple basic query for filter. Okay, I'm going to click on save. Yeah, and whatever the result found, I'm going to put into the same as a DT. And finally, I want to write that DT into the Excel. So that's why I'm going to take a right range activity. So always go with right range, select the add headers option in property. Okay. I guess that property is already enabled, not enabled. Okay, I'm going to check that property box, add headers option. And I want to write the data table into the Excel. So that is a sheet one. And I'm going to start this process and let's see what is that output. Is it filterable or not? This is nothing but how we can apply the filter using LINQ query. Yeah, it is going to filter that data table and write into the different sheet. This is my result. Okay, this is my every result. It is greater than 25, greater than or equal to 25,000. Let's see 30,000, 20,000, 26, 50,000. All this data is greater than 25,000. Perfectly fine. Suppose salary column, uh, one cell has one data is null. Then let's see what happens. It is filterable or not. My LINQ query is going to kill because my conversion is not happen, because null it is not going to convert the integer. Yeah, see, conversion from string null to type of integer is not valid, because null data is not going to convert into the integer. So that kind of error happen here. Always best practice, what we need to do, we need to put the condition. What is that? Before the checking this numeric condition, so we need to check that, yeah, that string having data or not. Means how we can check that? Not string dot is null or empty. In bracket we need to put that column name. We need to put that column name. So what does it? It is going to first of all check that condition. Yeah, if string having data is not. If it is not null, if it is not null, then it is going to check the one more condition. So I am going to click on save. I am going to run this. Again, it is going to fail. Why? Because I am going to use a AND method. What is this AND method? It is going to check the all condition. Even my first condition is false. See, again same error. Why same error? Because I already put the condition, it not string is null or empty, but here I am going to use a AND. What does it? Even my first condition is false, my AND method, it is going to jump for a second condition. My execution going to jump for a check the second condition. Okay, and really it's no need of that. If my first condition is false, then don't need to go with second condition. So and it is going to check the all condition. Instead of this, I am going to use the and also. So what does it? It is not going to check the second condition if first condition is false. If first condition is true, then it is going to check the second condition. If first condition false, then it is not going to check the second condition. Then we will not get that kind of error. This is the use of perfect use of and also. I already complete this recording. Please go through that. What is the difference between and also, and or else? So I am going to click and save. This time it is not going to throw the error because condition is false. Then don't need to check that condition. My bot is not going to check that condition. Directly it is going with the second iteration. Yeah, perfectly fine. Perfectly fine. See, but suppose I want to write this query more stronger. Then what? More stronger. How we can achieve that? Instead of dt, you need to write the collection as a data row, not a collection as a data table. So how we can achieve that? Here dt dot rows dot cast. Cast means conversion of one data type to another data type. Cast of data row. Data row. Yeah. So what this dt only, dt it is going to, yeah, this row it is going to convert this dt to row and it is going to take a one by one row. But now this time it is going to create a one collection as a data row and pass that data row one by one row to this row variable. This query is a performance wise, it's very faster than earlier. Okay, I'm going to click on save. Again, I'm going to execute this. So in case of you are playing with more suppose lakhs of data, then this query is very useful for us. Suppose you have less data, it is not means like it is execute quickly. But suppose you have more data, 15 lakhs of data, 20 lakhs of data, then this query is execute very fastly, guys. Instead of writing the dt, you can write the dt dot rows dot cast of data row. First of all, it is going to create a collection as a data row and then pass that one by one row to this loop. So that is the use of that dt dot rows dot cast of data row. This is all about the how we can filter the data table. Okay, so okay guys, thanks for watching this video, guys. Please like and subscribe to this channel. Yeah, so thanks.